In other news that's breaking this minute, the Mumbai Civic Body has issued notice to Mulund's Jumbo COVID Care Centre. The notice, in fact, clearly says that the COVID centre is not following the discharge policy of the asymptomatic patients. The notice claims that the patients are unnecessarily kept inside the centre, keeping the beds occupied and also creating panic among the people. Let me go across to my colleague Disha, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Disha, this is quite a concerning case that has come to light of how Mulund's Jumbo COVID Care Centre has been flouting a lot of rules that have been put in place. Take us through the details of how this entire matter came to light and what has the notice that the BMC has now issued to the COVID Care Centre, what does it say?
Well, that's right. Yeah, the civic body, the BMC, has issued a notice to one of the biggest COVID care centre here in the city of Mumbai. That's Richardson and Crudas. Here you can see we are standing right outside this COVID care centre. And as per the BMC, in their inquiry, they had found out that how asymptomatic patients are kept unnecessarily inside this COVID care centre. So ICMR guidelines clearly say that if a patient is asymptomatic, then on the 10th day itself, the patient has to be discharged. But here in this COVID care centre, as per BMC's inquiry and inspections, they found that patients are not even discharged on the 10th day. In fact, they are discharged after 11th or 12th day for that matter. So on an average, if on the 10th day, the asymptomatic patient's discharge is 85%, overall, then here at this particular COVID care centre, the discharge rate is only about 26%, which is very concerning here because if the asymptomatic patients are kept unnecessarily, then the beds are occupied, and currently in the city, with the increase in the cases, it's very important to have vacant beds for the critical patients. So that's one of the major concerns. Secondly, because patients are not being discharged, it is unnecessarily creating panic amongst the people. So these are the important points that the notice really points out. In fact, the notice has been issued to Asha Trust and Research Centre. Basically, they are the trust who is managing here this particular COVID care centre. They have been asked to respond within 3 days as to what is the discharge policy, why they are not really following the norms that they are supposed to do. So if they fail to respond within 3 days, then there are chances that they might terminate the contract as well that they have with the BMC. So this is a concerning fact. We are yet to receive a response from the trust. Of course, Mirror Now has reached out to them, but we are yet to receive a response from the trust on the allegations and the notice.
All right, Disha, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates there from on ground.